Hey guys, welcome to another video.
It's been a while since we've updated anything, but we have actually a ton of news actually. We sold the van, we finished the van. The van came out great and all that. I'll insert some pics right now, but we decided to sell it because it was kind of small for us, and we decided to get a full-size RV. Here it is. This is a 99 Ford TIOGA 48350. It's got the V10 in it. Sorry if I sound a little sick. You know, I got a little bit of a cold going on. I guess the AC cold. It's hot here, so the AC is always going. But yeah, it's just a 23-foot RV. Let me show the interior. We renovated a bit, painted everything. You can see the seats are nice, reupholstered and all that. Plenty of room for pretty much everything that Gigi and I need to do. That's our bed back there. It is not made right now because we're literally going to be leaving in 5 minutes, and I'll tell you soon later why. But you can pretty much see this is the dashboard area. Everything looks nice and modern. And then, you know, just like a little kitchen, plenty of seating. And then the best thing of all is the actual kitchen area. This was huge when we first saw this RV. So, working stove and all that, sink works great. You just flip on the pump, and then, bam, water. It's a huge plus. That's a huge upgrade from what we had before, because in our van we had nothing at all. But yeah, you can see the microwave and all that. We've got plenty of cabinet space. You know, nice, upgraded, and everything's updated. This is Gigi's favorite part of the whole thing, is a wardrobe. You can tell that she's got an entire thing packed with all of her clothes already. You see, we have our little bathroom area. We're gonna use that as storage because the shower's too small for all of us. So, use that as storage for now, but you can see everything's kind of, you know, up and around. You can see that, you know, it's a nice atmosphere in here. It's got AC, it's got generator that power everything else. I do have a whole electrical system in this thing that I upgraded. So I have about 540 amp hours of battery, AGM, 2000 watt inverter, 400 watts of solar panel, and then I also have Starlink, so that's satellite Wi-Fi. You can still hear that we have, you know, kept the motorcycle from the van. You can see the motorcycle's looking fantastic on the back of this RV. But yeah, this is it. So that's pretty much what we've upgraded to. So no more van. We're gonna go into the RV and we're gonna see if we like it or not.
And we're starting today.
Yeah, today is the first day of the trip of our long 6-month journey. Sorry, I'm like still really sick. But yeah, we're gonna be spending 6 months in this thing. So it's gonna be a fantastic trip. And our first stop of today is gonna be in Mississippi. So it's a 4.5 hour drive from here. We're currently in northern Georgia right now. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pack up everything and head out. So
we'll update you when we get to our destination for the night.
Or maybe when we're driving and all that too. But yeah, we'll see you guys there.
Hi guys!
Hello!
We made it on our first hour and a half on our drive. We're in Alabama.
Alabama, we just drove past Gadsden, Alabama. It's a nice city. But right now we're just heading on Alabama. We got 3 hours left on our trip. So the next clip you'll see is us in Mississippi. So yes. We'll see you guys there. So we're still on the road. We're pretty much still in Alabama. You can just see that it's just real nice 2-lane highway. You know, fields on every corner. It's honestly like, it's so pretty out here. I'm still feeling kind of sick, but we're about 10 minutes away from a grocery store, so we're gonna stop there, you know, fill up our fridge and all that with some good stuff. And yeah, we're about, I'd say about maybe 2 hours away from Mississippi. So we'll show you guys when we get to the grocery store, and then we'll see you guys in Mississippi.
Hi!
Okay, see ya. Okay, so we got a little surprise for you guys. Look at that. We're in Mississippi now. You got Gigi over here with a little camera. Take a nice photo in front of it. And then yeah, the RV's been great. We just got some gas and all that. And we're just on pretty much on the side of the highway. And there you go, Mississippi. We'll see you guys at the campsite tonight. Hey guys, we are here. We are here for the night. You can pretty much just see that it's a nice little parking lot area pretty much. I pretty got my hookup right there. So, you know, it's pretty quiet. We're in the small town of Jacinto, Mississippi. And you can see that that's the original courthouse right there. Got a little gift shop, a volunteer firefighter place, and there's a bunch of original buildings of the, you know, Jacinto. Never heard of it, but you know, we're staying there. And it's really hot in here. It's about 93 degrees. Very, very hot. At least the humidity is low, 50%. That's not bad at all. Georgia, we were used to like, you know, 80, 90%. You can see here,
Hi.
Judy's making some chili nachos.
This is definitely contributing to the heat.
Yes, for sure. For sure. But I'll go ahead and get the AC going, and that's pretty much going to bring us to the end of this video. It's extremely hot. I'm like sweating like crazy over here. Like, ooh, I think my wife just dropped some stuff. You okay, honey?
Yeah, I just dropped a root beer though.
Okay, she's good. Okay, yeah, this is the end of the video. This is probably the, you know, day one of the trip. You know, we drove about a little over 240 miles. You know, we're just heading west, try to hit Colorado as fast as we can. So today's Mississippi's done, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.